Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're going to be smoking a pork loin, but we're going to be using Coca-Cola Georgia Peach to make a glaze. So let's get going. So first things first, we have to get our protein ready. I got some nice little pork tenderloins here. Went ahead, trimmed them, not too aggressively. There wasn't much wrong with them. For our rub, we're going to be using Cosmo Q's Sriracha Dirty Bird or Dirty Bird Sriracha. Go check out Cosmo Q's site. He has some awesome rubs. This has a very unique flavor. Definitely has that Sriracha flavor on them, which I like. So I think just a little spiciness is going to go good with our sweet glaze that we're going to make. So we'll get our pork loin all coated up here. The one thing I've learned, when applying rub to, proteins, is to use a cookie sheet like this. And this helps, number one, keep the rub from going all over the place, but also you can just roll it around, use up some of that rub so it doesn't go to waste. That's it. We're going to be cooking these on the RecTech pellet grill. We're going to do it around 225, 250. I think I'm going to go 250 on this. So let's get these out on the grill. Go ahead and get these on. But while these are rocking out, let's go ahead and make our glaze. So to get our Coca-Cola Georgia Peach glaze going, we're going to start out with one bottle of our Coca-Cola peach flavored soda. All right, so to kick up the peach flavor even more, we're going to add this peach preserve. This is about 12 ounces. This will also get it a lot sweeter. We're not going to be adding any more sugar to this because there's a lot of sugar in the Coke and a lot of sugar in this preserve. Get that all incorporated. We're going to add a little soy sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, got some apple cider vinegar. Throw in a little bit of mustard, about a tablespoon, and a little bit more sriracha, probably about another tablespoon or so. Get this all mixed up. Put about a teaspoon or so of onion powder and a teaspoon or so of garlic powder. All right, that's about it. We're gonna go ahead and let this simmer and reduce and thicken up, and we'll be ready to start glazing our pork loins. We're gonna go ahead and start coating. I'm gonna be coating about every 15-20 minutes at this point. All right, so our pork tenderloin, I pulled them, they've been resting. And I made a mistake. I think I was saying 165 when the temp we want to get to, but it was actually 145. So I let them get up to about 140, 143, and I pulled them and let them rest. And residual heat brought them up to about 145. So they should be just nice and perfect. The thing with tenderloin is if you overcook it, it's going to dry out really quick. So let's take a look at these. Got some perfect color on these. These things smell incredible. So let's go ahead and slice into this. Let's move this one out of the way. Perfect little medallions, nice and juicy. Let's give this a taste. It's definitely got some heat. It's also got a nice sweetness to start out with. It's some fruitiness. I wouldn't, if I gave this to you, if I served this to you, you wouldn't say, oh, it's peach, but it's definitely got a sweet, fruity start to it. But that sriracha really ends with some nice warmth to it. This is incredible. I definitely would be doing it again. I love using, soda and sauces because it adds that sweetness, that caramel to, kind of flavoring to it. But this is incredible. Remember, guys, give this a try. Hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.